How to pin a post on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can pin a post on Facebook. In order to pin a post on Facebook, first of all, update your application. So if you have not updated your application, go to your Google Play Store and then on the search box type in Facebook. See whether you need to update the application or not. If you see update, that means you'll have to update, or if you don't see update, click on the open button, then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how it's gonna look like. Now to pin a post, go to your profile from the top left hand side corner. After that, it's gonna direct you to the profile page. So here you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now in order to pin a post, what you need to do is just tap on the three dot icon located right in the corner. After that, click on pin post. So here you go, this particular post has been pinned. Similarly, if you want to unpin this post, then tap on the three dot icon, click on unpin. So this is how you can unpin your post on Facebook. And for some reason you'll not be able to pin a post that you are actually tagged in. So as you can see, if I tap on this particular post that I've been tagged on, just tap on the pin button. As you can see, this particular post will not be pinned. So basically, in order to pin a post, you can only do it your own original post, not others who has actually tagged you, or not the content that you've actually shared on Facebook. So in this way you can pin a post on Facebook. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.